What's going on, guys? It's been about almost a month since I installed my 10.1 TESLA Style radio, and I'm bringing you guys an update. So first thing first, if you watched my last video, I stated that I didn't receive this adapter when I first got my my screen. So it took about a week. The seller did get back in contact with me. It took about a week before I received it. I did receive it. I haven't plugged it up to check and see if the buttons work, but I'm pretty positive that they do work. So I have the cord in hand, and let's see what else update. Let me go ahead and give you guys the bad. I'm gonna give you guys the bad first. Okay, so the first 2 weeks of me riding with the stereo, I noticed in certain areas of my town the 4G bars were dropping and like fluctuating, and I kind of had a feeling I knew what it was, but I wasn't 100% sure. And I figured once I take the screen out to connect that adapter that I needed for the climate control button, I'll pretty much know what my answer is. The reason why my 4G LTE signal fluctuate, and that's my problem. Let me pull it out for you. So basically, I noticed this problem before I even installed the screen, but I overlooked it because I figured it was because I stuck it on some of the insulation. So I just moved it over or moved it back and restuck it. It held in place, but as you can see, it fell down. Not only did my 4G antenna fall, but let me zoom out. My GPS antenna has failed too. So they were just laying there. They were still working, but as far as the 4G, it was fluctuating in certain areas. So this is the bad. Both of these came with the kit, with the screen, I should say. I was in the process of buying. I actually had already purchased antenna, but once I got the screen and noticed that it came with one, I immediately canceled it. Now I'm rethinking that decision and thinking I should have went ahead and kept that. The sticky adhesive, I'm not gonna say sticky, the adhesive on the antenna is crap. Yeah, the heat could have something to do with it, being that it's under the dash, but if you guys can feel this, you could probably hear it. It's tacky, but it's not true 3M. You know what I'm saying? If it was 3M adhesive, I think it would have stuck up there no matter what the heat, or should I say the temperature of the car interior, it'll still be up under there. So what I'm in the process of doing, I'm finna do some little ingenuity. These are, where's the, okay, hold on a second. I'm basically finna use these Scott fastener. Yes, it says indoor. I know it says indoor, but what does it say? It's right there, small electronics. So I'm finna try to do some ingenuity and see if that works. I'm gonna stick one side on, of course I'm gonna stick this part right here. I'm gonna stick that up under the dash, and this part is gonna be on the antenna. I'm hoping, even though it's got adhesive on it, it sticks. I'm hoping. So I'm gonna try that out. I'm probably not gonna put my screen, I'm gonna hook my screen up to see if everything works like it's supposed to, but I'm probably not gonna put it up until maybe 24 hours, 48 hours later, just to see if it's gonna hold up. But That's one bad. The other bad, well, I don't know if I can show you guys because I don't have it connected. But basically, the outside temperature that shows up on the dash, and it's not gonna show it because I got my trunk pop. I'll show you guys later in video. I'll probably do a screenshot and show you guys what I'm talking about. But once you hook the player up, the outside temperature on the dash is gonna show 89. I don't know what caused that. I'm assuming it's the software, firmware, where you want to call it. I'm assuming that's the issue. I have noticed other members in the Acura Zinc forum site, they had the same issue, so that's why I say I'm assuming it's something with the firmware. Because again, when you operate the AC, it shows up in Celsius and not Fahrenheit. So maybe when a new update software for it comes out, it'll fix that issue. It does not affect the operation of the AC unit, so it still blows out cold air. I still get my heat. It just not showing the temperature in Celsius. I mean, in Fahrenheit, it's showing in Celsius. The outside temperature is showing 89 degrees, even though it could be like 60 degrees outside. Don't go running trying to change your sensor like I was about to do. Don't go doing that. It's not your sensor that's located behind the bumper. It's not that. It's the player itself that's causing that issue. So that's the second problem. My third problem, which I noticed, is this. And I probably shouldn't have touched it, but as you can see, I had to put 2 zip ties on it. I don't know why, but when I plug this in, this side goes in, this side wouldn't go in. I don't know why, but basically what was happening by this not being plugged all the way in, I didn't get any sound. So I had to push it as hard as I can, put 2 zip ties on it, and it works. I don't hit bumps, not on purpose, but the area I live in, there are some bumpy roads. I don't hit bumps numerous of times. It hasn't come loose, so everything's all good. I don't like having to do it like that, but that's just basically what I'm gonna have to do for now. I haven't installed, let me see, hold on, let me back up. I'm going too fast. Let me back up. So it was 3 issues. I think that's it. The only 3 major issues I've had with this install since I installed it. I have noticed that every now and then when I'm driving or something, this right here will flicker, like the light will flicker. I'm assuming that's something with the software. I'm not 100% sure, but I have actually noticed that this light will flicker and flip back off. And also on the sub display, the bars that represent the fan speed, I have noticed that that'll flicker on and then flicker back off. Again, it's nothing serious. It's just something minor. I figure it's something with the software. It's still not a deal breaker to get this. I'm still trying to figure out where, like, exactly what size screen protector. That's why I still got this on, because I'm still trying to figure out exactly what size I can get for this. But other than that, I think that's pretty much on the issues I have noticed with this. It still plays good. I haven't installed any factory. No, I'm sorry. Let me back up again. I haven't installed any aftermarket speakers yet. I actually plan on going to do that maybe next weekend or so. Going to get an estimate. I was planning on getting a 12-inch subwoofer. I don't know if I'm going to do that, because like I said, just playing on factory speakers, this thing is loud. And I have got it up to 20. In my last video, I think I said I didn't go past 10, but I have turned it up to 20. It's loud as hell. I will tell you this, you do need to play with the settings to get the sound just right. Just sit down and just play around with it, get familiar with it. It takes some getting used to. I noticed in my last video I had somebody comment about putting videos. I don't know exactly where they talking about downloading from a external site or just putting it from a flash drive, like, but you can put videos like from a flash drive onto this. It works. I haven't tested out all the formats because you know videos have different format extensions. I haven't tested all of that out, but it does have the capability of you downloading videos from a flash drive onto this. I also found out one thing. The flash drive you use, it can only be 32 gigabytes. It cannot be anything higher than 32 gigabytes. Anything higher than 32 gigabytes, it would not read it at all. So that's just another thing I want to point out to you guys. Okay, so let me go ahead and test out my Ingenuity. I know you guys are probably tired of staring at this mess here, but I'm gonna go ahead and test out my Ingenuity, and I didn't say that word right, so go ahead and clown me in the comment section. I know my southern grammar is hell, but you know what I'm trying to say. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try to put these Velcro stickers on to see if they hold up, and I'll come back with the results of that. Alright guys, I'm back. So before I forget, I don't know why I put that up there. So the Velcro trick worked. I don't know how good y'all can see up there. Where is it? Okay. So the Velcro seems to be holding. And let's see. Got the glare from the sun. There we go. So it's holding up. How long it's gonna hold, only time will tell. If for whatever reason it don't hold up there, I'm gonna go the next route, which is use super glue. No, I'm just playing. I don't know what the next route gonna be, but hopefully the adhesive on the Velcro works. It's holding up so far. It's been over an hour since I put it on here, but a true test will be if I go on the road and hit a bump and see. But it shouldn't go nowhere. Let me see if I can do this. Okay. I don't know. I'm only 80% confident that this is gonna work. I'll put this back. I'm not gonna install everything completely back because I still got some other work to do. The time is correct. So give me a second. Hold on. How you do this? How you do this? I should have probably. Okay. I'm trying to. That ain't gonna work. Now I see why folks have cameraman. I can't afford one though. Alright, that might be right. Alright, trying to do this with one hand is hard as hell. Now I see why people have other people recording for them. Anyway, this is what I want to show you guys. No. Hold on. It would help if I had the car on. Oh boy, let's see. So it's showing low now, and I'm hitting the auto button, and as you can see it came on. I'm gonna turn it off. See, it lights up. So as you can see, it's blowing out. let's show y'all. See the touch screen? It works. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all from this angle. That's me pushing it. I'm sorry, guys. So now I'm gonna turn it down using the buttons. Well, hold on. Yeah, this is the fan. So I'm finna use the button. Watch it change. I'm gonna do it on. I'm gonna show you on the screen. So the button does work. And now let's change the temperature. That's the only thing I don't really like. Okay, so now, oh, I see why. Hold on. The damn dual. Well, here I can show you that way. So look, I'm finna push dual on the screen. And you see the light come on and off. So everything is responding like it's supposed to. And there go the temperature. Of course, it's in Celsius. As you can see, it's going up. 26 Celsius, 26 Celsius. I'm still hitting the button. And that says 22 because it's, for whatever reason, on. Oh, I put it on dual. Anyway, see, you turn it off. Everything matches up. So, yeah. That's what I want to show you guys. Appreciate you guys for tuning into this video. Like, subscribe, share it. Leave comments. Let me know what you guys think. Or any questions you may have. Just let me know in the comment section. And I'll catch you guys next time.